Okay, I wanted to post a quick video on my new open interpreter case design that I came up with, and that's using a classic telephone shape, which, because it has a speaker and a microphone, much like the Atom has. I also have a on-off switch and a momentary toggle button. In the inside, there's a USB micro battery charging circuit connected to a battery booster that bumps up the 3 volts to 5 volts for the Atom, so that it has enough power. I'm using the telephone earpiece that came with it, but the Atom is actually mounted underneath here, which allows me visual access to the RGB LED. I'm also changing how that RGB LED works in code so that it gives me an indication of when it's listening. So let's go ahead and do a little demo here. To do a demo, I make sure that the server is running first. Yeah, and it is. And then I'm going to turn it on, and you'll see that the red LED turns on immediately. This blue LED indicates that it is connected to Wi-Fi and ready. If it wasn't connected to Wi-Fi, it would give me the, kind of pinkish color. So if it's on and ready, all I have to do is ask it a question. Can you give me a web update for GPT-5? Green indicates it's thinking.
Sure, let me check for updates.
Thinking.
OpenAI is planning to release GPT-5, a new version of the AI language model during the summer of 2024, according to Business Insider. The upcoming model is said to be much improved than the previous versions, with abilities for multimodal input like video and better logical reasoning abilities. The exact release timeline may change pending ongoing tests and refinements.
We'll try another one too. I think that's it. For that one, it's ready to go again. It's got the green, or got the blue. Give me the stock price of Lending Tree. Thinking, green.
Certainly, allow me to find that information.
Now it's got information. It's back to blue.
The current stock price for Vending Tree, also known as Lending Tree Inc., is $49. 41 according to financial sources. Do keep in mind that stock prices change frequently, so it's important to check the latest information from trustworthy financial sources. What's the next thing you'd like assistance with?
Yeah. So that's how it works. The main idea was so that my kids could kind of play with ChatGPT. And it's got kind of a cool classic interface and plenty of indications of what the status is. And that's it. Right now it's got a 500 milliamp hour battery just because that fit nicely into the handle. But 1,000 milliamp hour battery would last, twice as long, and I could probably get one that was in that shape. All right, thanks for watching.